Hey everyone, today we're counting down the top 5 best drones you can buy on AliExpress in 2025. If you're looking for a quality drone at an affordable price, this video is for you. Top 5. Kicking off our list is the SJR CF11 Pro 4K, a reliable drone with excellent value for money. This drone features a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal, giving you clear and stable video footage. Its brushless motors and foldable design make it travel-friendly and easy to use. The GPS module ensures precise positioning and a return-to-home function in case of signal loss. Specs: camera, 4K with 2-axis gimbal, flight time, up to 28 minutes, control range, up to 1.2 kilometers, motors, brushless GPS, and return-to-home foldable design for portability. Pros: great battery life, stable signal and flight control, ideal for beginners and intermediate users. Top 4. The Xiaomi S2 Max is a lightweight foldable drone with impressive image quality and features you'd normally find only in more expensive models. It's equipped with an 8K front-facing camera and electronic image stabilization, so even fast or windy shots come out smooth and clear. The 720-degree obstacle avoidance system helps it navigate safely, even in tight or complex environments. The S2 Max is beginner-friendly, offering gesture control, follow-me mode, waypoint flight, and one-key return. Whether you're new to drones or already have experience, this drone gives you excellent value without compromising on performance. Conclusion: a perfect blend of portability, smart features, and solid camera quality. Ideal for aerial filming without breaking the bank. Top 3. The Xiaomi SG901 Max is a compact, foldable drone that offers impressive features typically found in higher-end models. Description: equipped with an 8K front-facing camera and electronic image stabilization, the SG901 Max ensures smooth and clear footage even in dynamic conditions. Its 720-degree obstacle avoidance system allows for safe navigation, making it suitable for various environments. The drone is user-friendly, featuring gesture control, follow-me mode, waypoint flight, and one-key return. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the SG901 Max provides excellent value without compromising performance. Conclusion: combining portability, intelligent features, and high-quality imaging, the Xiaomi SG901 Max is an ideal choice for aerial photography enthusiasts seeking a reliable drone without breaking the bank. Top 2. In third place is the FIME A3 by Xiaomi, a well-balanced drone combining reliability and versatility. The FIMI A3 features a 1080p camera with a 2-axis mechanical and 3-axis electronic stabilization system. Its remote controller includes a built-in screen, so you don't need a smartphone for live view. With GPS and intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Orbit, and Waypoint, it's a great option for beginners looking for smooth footage and solid control. Specs: camera 1080p with mechanical 2-axis plus electronic 3-axis stabilization, flight time up to 25 minutes, control range up to 1 kilometer, motors, brushless GPS, Follow Me, Orbit, Waypoint, built-in screen on controller. Pros: great video stabilization, easy and intuitive controls, perfect for new drone pilots. Top 1. Topping our list is the FIME X8SE, a feature-packed drone that rivals professional gear. Description: the FIME X8SE boasts a 4K HDR camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, capturing stunning visuals. With a maximum flight time of 33 minutes and a 5-kilometer control range, it's ideal for long-range shoots. Its foldable build, advanced GPS features, and smart tracking modes make it perfect for serious drone enthusiasts and professionals. Specs: camera, 4K HDR with 3-axis gimbal, flight time, up to 33 minutes, control range, up to 5 kilometers. Motors: brushless GPS, Follow Me, Waypoint, Orbit foldable, and compact. Pros: pro-level video quality, long battery life. Ideal for professionals and advanced users. And that's our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2025. Each of these drones offers a great mix of quality, features, and value. Which one would you choose? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments which drone you liked most. And hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next reviews.